Good morning. My name is Brandon Napoli, and I'll be teaching Business 100 Introduction to Business. This is an exciting class, one that we cover a variety of topics that I do my best work to try to tailor towards what your interests are. So one of your first assignments is to log on to the discussion this week and say exactly why you're taking this class. And then I look forward to tailoring some of the course material to really connect to those points. Part of that is why I'm actually taking this class as a teacher and how I've tailored it in a way that really is connected with my passions and the things that I've learned over the last 15 years in business. So to really give a quick recap of that so you can get to know me and how to interact with the course better. I was also a community college student at one point. Went into community college, not exactly sure what I wanted to do, but knew I needed to continue to pursue my education. Took a variety of general ed classes. Never a business class, just kind of was not on my radar, not really interested. But I ended up pursuing business later on. And how that happened was I gained a heart for alleviating poverty, for specifically microfinance, which is giving small loans to people in poverty to help them actually elevate themselves out of that poverty. And so through that experience of working overseas as a volunteer in many different ways, I gained a focus for microfinance. And that took me to going to a school that had a program in international development down in San Diego called Point Loma Nazarene. And that took me into the field of microfinance domestically as well as internationally. So I worked in San Diego. I also worked in Guatemala, in Kenya, in Malawi, and Dominican Republic. And been to over 30 countries now, so I could go on, as well as worked in the States, in Los Angeles, in New York, and in San Francisco, and so in Nevada as well, and then nationwide with a lot of partnerships that I was in charge with. So I've been able to really travel quite a lot for this profession and this passion. And just to give a real quick recap on that, I never thought I was going to be doing business. I never thought I'd be teaching business. But once I saw that the world operated with a lot of business principles, and if I was going to interact with it, if I was going to hopefully change it for the way that I saw was for the better, that I would need to learn it and that I would need to be able to speak into it and try to leverage it for advocating for those that couldn't advocate for themselves. So looking forward to teaching this class and going more into that experience with you and connecting these dots. Excited for this time and seeing you progress through this course.